So in this video I'll be sharing with you one of my very powerful disease fighting drinks made with just 2 ingredients but loaded with so many healing properties. One of the ingredients is what most herbal companies add in their herbal medications to treat deadly illnesses and diseases from the system. You will find out when I get to show you how to come up with a drink yourself at home. It is equally loaded with so many vitamins and nutrients for a glowy and healthy looking skin. So I'll not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with a drink yourself at home. Equally, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. So let's get straight into it. So in order to make the very powerful disease fighting drink, the first ingredient you will need is apple. So why is apple making it to this list? That is because apple has phytonutrients and antioxidants to help reduce the risk of developing cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and even heart disease. So that is why you often hear doctors say an apple a day will take you off the doctors. That is no joke. It is equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals you want to nourish your system with. So what you want to do is to get 1 apple. You wash thoroughly. I had shared a video how to thoroughly clean your apples. Check that video on how to wash your fruits before consuming them, but I'll still always rinse my fruits before I put in my blender to blend, or my juicer, or whatever method I'm using to juice out the drink. So apples are rich in so many vitamins and minerals you need for a healthy glow to your skin as well. They are like 60% water based to leave your skin hydrated, and hydration means a fresher and glowy looking skin. The second ingredient we'll be adding in this drink, which is very powerful, is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has so many healing properties. Like most of herbal medicine companies, they add aloe vera in almost every medication they make to get rid of all the deadly illnesses. That is because it has so many healing properties. Besides the healing properties, aloe vera is equally rich in vitamin E with other vitamins and minerals for a healthy functioning of your system, and equally for a healthy glow to your skin and longer life as well. So this is the quantity we need for the aloe vera. You just need you need just the gel. Just follow the same procedure as I did, and you need just this quantity and just the gel. So make sure you equally always clean your ingredients before you follow up for your juice. So for today we are making some kind of a smoothie drink. So you want to put all your ingredients in your blender, your apple and your aloe vera. So most people think aloe vera is bitter, but the gel is not really bitter, and putting it together with apples makes it so, like, you will not even feel the bitterness of the aloe vera, and it tastes so good in the mouth. Trust me, when you combine aloe vera and apple. So what I'm using to blend is half a liter of water. So I just put half a liter. I'll just put 2 times, and so it really gets smooth. So this is the remaining. I just fill and blend. So to get to the consistency you really want. So I don't want it rough. That is why you see me putting the water twice. So voila, this is it. Very healing, powerful healing. Like, this is healing in the glass. You can just consume first thing in the morning. Consume all at once. After blending, just make sure to consume all at once. So I hope somebody finds this helpful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.